Hello, friends. This is Trish, and I am back outside here doing some gardening today. It is a beautiful day here in Minnesota, very warm, and the patio furniture is out. And now I'm going to start doing some planter arrangements with some various flowers and my ornamental grasses here that I just love planting. And so I just wanted to come out here and wish you all a very great weekend and yeah, just check in. This is a piece that I'm going to be reviewing here. This is my first and only human hair piece, and I'm going to be doing a review on this shortly. It's not going to be an out of the box, obviously, because I have worn this already. I have made some adjustments to this. I probably even cut this, if I'm not mistaken. But it's a little dark for me. There are some caramel highlights running through this, but it's a little dark, and I'm going to try to lighten this a bit with some biolage hair dyeing techniques. So we will see how that turns out. Probably looking to do that hopefully next week sometime, but just wanted to come out here and give you a glimpse on one of my pastimes for the summer. I love planting and making my own potted arrangements, and I just love it. It's one of my things I just love to do every year, and I end up spending a lot of money on it, and I've got to rein it in for sure. So, great to talk to you all, and have a great weekend, and stay cool if you are in a place where the temps are going to be very toasty. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.